What's up?
How you boys doing?
We're good. We're good today. How are you doing, sir?
Pretty good.
You ready to go get some sandwiches?
Yes, I am more than ready.
Okay. Let's go get some subs. Can we get one corned beef Reuben, please?
Sure, a dark gray or marble rye.
Look at this. Look at this. This joke. White Sox don't have any fans anymore. Now we're gonna try the reason that we're here. This is corned beef Reuben. Are you a big Reuben guy?
My dad's a big Reuben guy, and so I'd say I like Reubens, I guess.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's a good sandwich. It's a good Sammy. I mean,
Yeah, what's a sandwich? Just a very solid sandwich.
solid sandwich. It's not the best corned beef ever. I don't think they make it in-house, unless if I'm wrong. And the bread's delicious, though.
Very solid.
Yeah.
Tastes like something my grandma would make.
I'd give this a 8.5 out of 10.
I'd give it a 8 out of 10.
Next place that we're gonna head to is called Big Mama Sandwich Shop. All right. It's like way up north.
Part of North Omaha. I love it. Sandwich.
There we are. We got Sammy's cooking. What is this campus? This doesn't make sense. We have food. Today, we're gonna switch up the rules a little bit. Okay, we're gonna be doing some catfish sandwiches because it said it's a sandwich shop, but you know, you get what you get. You don't throw a fit.
And this.
Cheers. Oh wow. That's like it's spicy. It's got some pepper in there. And the bread is very spicy.
Fairly spicy.
Yeah. It's there's a lot of barbecue sauce in there.
Very tasty, but I don't like spicy stuff, so this could go on to you if you like it.
Cheers.
Alright, I like it.
Oh man, that is some good catfish. You can tell that was like caught nearby.
Very solid.
Yeah, very solid. It's not crazy spiced either, which is nice. Flavor's very easy, very simple, simplistic idea. I like that.
Very crispy. I like crispy. Oh, I forgot to put the bib on.
Oh yeah, that's right. Bib King.
It smells good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh god. Oh.
It's good.
Pork tenderloin's delicious. Really taste that. The ham is good.
Good bread.
Yeah, the bread's the selling point. You can tell the bread's freshly made here. Also with that 10% discount.
I have to give it a 9.6.
Ooh.
I'm going out on a limb here.
Okay. I'm gonna give this Sammy a 9.5 out of 10.
I'm raising my grade to a 9.8. Yeah, step back.
Okay. All right. You know what? I'm gonna raise mine as well now. 9.8 as well. Alright, Ian. So today, we went to 3 different places. Who was your winner?
My winner would have to be Stars.
I would definitely give it the win to Star Deli as well. They were so fantastic, and you know, I think that the Cubano is just a classic sandwich. You can't really mess up the Cubano. It's the first time you've ever had one.
First time I've ever had it, and now whenever I see it on the menu, it's what I'm getting.
Alright, HHC Holy Art is a completely official sandwich now. So definitely hit up Star Deli. Hit up every single place that we went to. All of them are great.
Because truly, there were no winners except for us. We were the winners.
Yeah, we were the winners at the end of the day.
Got to eat some delicious food. I love it.
Yes, congratulations Star Deli. Thank you Westside for watching this.